Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing some plane spotting again. So yeah. So now we're going to be doing the plane spotting, and looks like we have a KLM 747 passing by. Is that a Wright Brothers plane? Oh my God, that's so cool. Tower right there. Everything looks pretty good. So let's get to these spottings. What the heck? Is this dude falling down? What the heck is he doing? What the heck is he doing? What the heck? Oh my God. Look at this random dude. What? Anyways, we're back to plane spotting. We have a Pan Am 747 on the ground. So this is looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good plane. And now we have a ATR 72 on the ground. This dude is about to get in his plane. So this is a pretty beautiful plane in this game, to be honest. I love it. I've flown it before at least 5 times. So I love the plane, to be honest. It's a really good plane. And now he is turning around and getting ready to taxi here. He's getting on the taxi line. People just pushed back. Loved it. Gotta love that plane. And so here's a view of the runways, taxi lines, Restorator, Rockford. Love this new map. So yeah. Okay, what is this random C-17 doing? Oh my God, what the? Okay, so now this caught. What did I just say? Caught? Whatever. Now this Polcott ATR 72 is ready to take off, and now he is going at full throttle. He's got the toga throttle set, and he's ready to take off here for Grand Rockford. There he goes, rotating. And he has now put the gear up. Beautiful plane. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. There he goes. And now we have a Emirates A380 getting ready to taxi here. We have that Pan Am 747. I don't know what he's doing, to be honest. So, not much chaos. I only saw like the C-17 going crazy. This shouldn't be that bad. This really shouldn't be that bad. Anyways, I'm gonna just keep moving here. And now we have the Emirates A380 taxiing here. Love that plane. I actually have that plane myself. I don't have all these game passes now. I don't even have the AN225. So, now here he comes. We have is that the C-17? No. Okay, we are back with our A380, and it's currently taxiing. And what the? Okay, I got that. Something happened. What the? Did he just turn up the throttles? Bro, he's not gonna make it. Okay, never mind. He done made that turn. Here he goes. He's about to rotate. That is like the quickest. He didn't even want to wait. There he goes. That plane just looks so beautiful. It's so beautiful and big. Alright, now we have a SEO Air A320 coming in. Cebu. Beautiful plane. I love the way that these wingtips look. It just looks so good, especially when the plane's landing. You can get some, especially with this free cam, you can get some beautiful screenshots of planes like this, the A320. Is this dude landing on the other runway? What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? Landing on the taxiway? Oh, sorry, that was an optical illusion. What the heck? And now he's just clipping. Oh my god. Okay, let's see this landing. And that really wasn't that bad. Okay. 7 out of 10. WX approved. Love that landing. That was actually pretty good. 7 out of 10. And now we are just waiting. But I think there's another flight coming in. Or another plane, I should say. And there's that Cebu. Or Sea-Doo. In PTFS wise, obviously they made these because they didn't want to get sued or copyrighted. And there's a KLM 747 doing, I don't know what this man is doing. So we're back, and what the heck? What the heck is this? What? What is this? What is this? What in the world is this 777 doing? Okay, I should have regretted saying this was crazy. This wasn't gonna be crazy, cause look at what this dude is doing. This is why I never, ever, I mean ever, cause these public servers. Now, look at what, oh my gosh. Like, what are you doing? Anyways, forget about that incident. Now we are back with our SEO Air. Another one's departing, I guess. I don't know if this is the same one or not, so. He's got the toga throttles on. He's getting ready to rotate here. What is my camera doing? Why is my, what? Okay, I just missed the whole takeoff there. There he goes, gear up. And that was a nice takeoff. Awesome. Very awesome. I don't know any other planes that are coming in. So, there's that SEO Air up there. This airport is getting pretty clear here. This was actually a good server I could find. Very good server. There's that Firebird. What type of plane is that? There's another Firebird. This is Firebird 8000. So here he is. Correct me on this type of plane. I think it's a F-16. So, and now this man is getting ready to take off. Here he goes. Full throttle. Give us that sonic boom. Gotta catch up with this man. There he goes. He's gone. He put the gear up early. And now we have a United Airlines CRJ 700. And now this man is getting ready to take off. What is this man doing with his gear? What in the world? Okay, it looks like you're floating at this point. And now he just did a no gear landing. What is this man doing? Okay, I think I know what this man is doing. No, you are not recreating that. No. You are not recreating, no. And that, bro, this was the shortest flight ever. Alright, just land already. Let me rate this. No. Okay, not WX approved. That is bad. Like a 2 out of 10. Bro, I swear, if this man takes off this landing, I will literally end the video. Bro. Oh, not this again. Oh, no.